Proton Motor is a leading German manufacturer of PEM fuel cell stacks and systems with a completely European supply chain. With over 20 years of experience and expertise, we are the perfect partner for any vehicle manufacturers, suppliers of electrical drivetrains, integrators, as well as fleet operators for logistics and passenger transportation. We support each customer individually and throughout the whole product lifecycle, beginning with the comprehensive design, development, and integration of fuel cell hybrid systems, as well as organizing fuel cell service networks and after-sales activities. In order to promote completely emission-free transport in urban areas, governmental policies are focusing increasingly on battery electric concepts. However, drivetrains based on batteries only suffer from considerable disadvantages. Batteries are large, heavy, and need long recharging times compared to conventional refueling. Proton Motor systems overcome these disadvantages by complementing batteries with hydrogen-based fuel cell technology. Our range extender applications can be easily integrated into existing electrified vehicles and have already proven to be sustainable and cost-effective solutions. At Proton Motor, we also offer tailor-made plug-in hybrid concepts to our customers by adapting the power output of our fuel cell systems with respect to the individual requirements of the vehicle, where the additional battery system provides peak power and is capable of recovering braking energy. The major advantage of this concept is lower capital investment and operating costs with enhanced lifetime for the energy storage system. The customer receives a completely emission-free vehicle, which is easily and quickly refueled with hydrogen gas. In contrast to pure battery-driven vehicles, no limitations have to be considered with respect to driving range, payload, or comfort for drivers and passengers. Proton Motor. Join us in a new era, an era with safe and clean energy.